I want to bring in two other guests to join this debate. Ranveer Alabadia, who is the host of the Ranveer Show. Shahzad.
चल गया रहा है भाई. You know Pakistan has no argument whatsoever जब इंडिया अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए इस इंसान को भेज दे. लाइक इसके पीछे लॉजिक क्या हो सकता है कि हमारे देश का सबसे बड़ा गजेड़ी अगर एक दिन भी सोबर रह जाए तो तुम्हारे पॉलिटिशियंस को काउंटर कर सकता है.
Gias Sheikh from the Pakistan Experience podcast. Welcome to both of you. Look, Ranveer, I don't have a horse in this race, okay? I don't think anybody outside of India and Pakistan has a horse in this race. So when I see both sides claiming victory and this sort of sea of disinformation that's been spread about who did what to whom and what planes were shot down and what weren't shot down and so on and so on. Pilots being captured, were they, weren't they? It's very hard to work out what the truth is. The good news is the shooting seems to have stopped, and it appears to have been a lot to do with the United States offering some new trade arrangements to both countries to try and bring them to a ceasefire, which is what's happened. Now, I mean, A, do you believe that? And B, if that is not the case, why do you think the shooting has stopped?
Okay, firstly, I would like to greet the world and present the objective truth. I'm here to present proofs, facts, and figures. Donald Trump claimed that he was responsible for the ceasefire, and Pakistan proceeded to break the ceasefire about an hour after it was announced. My question to the world is about this man. I hope everyone's able to see this person's face. He was found 800 meters from a military base in Pakistan. That's the face that the world recognizes. This is the face that India recognizes because it's most specific to our narrative. This man is...
ये तो देशभक्त हो गया भाई रातों रात. चल क्या रहा है भाई? अभी तो इसके पोस्ट कुछ और बोल रही थी.
A UN designated terrorist being celebrated by the Pakistani military in the background. That's not the narrative that they give the Pakistanis. That's not the narrative that the world knows. But if you check with the UN, if you check with the US, they tell you that this is Abdul Rauf. India's attacks were precision-oriented, moderate, and most importantly, they were simply a retaliation as they've always been. India's never been an aggressor in any of these situations. We export vaccines, we export philosophy, and we...
Hina thinks it's funny, whatever her name is. हाँ, Hina Khar. She thinks it's funny. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे arguments देखे जो बहुत ही कन्वीनियंटली ये बात स्किप कर रहे थे कि हमारी तरफ के 26 लोग मारे गए थे. उसके बाद हमने रिटेलिएट किया क्योंकि इतने सालों से ये चीजें बार बार हो रही थी. वो सीधा जंप मारते हैं उस पार्ट पे जहां पे इंडिया मिसाइलें गिरा चुका था और फिर क्लेम करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि हमारे सिविलियंस की डेथ हुई. आपके सिविलियंस टेररिस्ट कैंप्स के पास कर क्या रहे थे? इज व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन इज टू यू. क्या कर रहे थे वो लोग? क्यों आपकी गवर्नमेंट ऐसे लोगों को जो उल्टे काम करते घूम रहे हैं या फिर ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को रन कर रहे हैं उनको अलाउ करती है सालों साल सिविलियंस के बीच में रहने के लिए? ये कैसा आपका इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम है जिसको कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा चल क्या रहा है देश में?
Export engineers and leaders to the world. That's why our economy is 11 times the size of Pakistan. But the Pakistani narrative is that, hey, look at these people. They're trying to get the world to sympathize with them. Pierce, my question is to you. You've seen the objective facts and figures. What do you feel about this whole situation? The world only knows this person. India has a list just like people like this man.
Ranveer, my question for you would be that you posted something on Instagram which I found very interesting, but you then deleted it seemingly after the backlash that it attracted. So for those who didn't see it, let me just remind people of what you said.
Oh no, bhai, फंस गया रणवीर.
Dear Pakistani brothers and sisters, I will get hate from many Indians for this, but it's important to be said. Just like many Indians, I don't have hate in my heart for you. Many of us want peace as well. Whenever we meet Pakistanis, you invariably welcome us with love. But your country is not run by government. It's run by your military and your secret service, the ISI. The average Pakistani is very different than these two bodies. The average Pakistani has dreams of peace and prosperity in their hearts. These two villains have hurt your economy since independence. They've also constantly been responsible for terrorist attacks in India. Proofs in the next slide. I mean, first of all, why did you delete that?
Oh God, why? Imagine being in this guy's situation. That is so... कैसे वापस आएगा भाई इस पे से?
Deleted it because the ceasefire was broken, and Pakistan just gave us another reason to not trust the entire state once again. Even if you try having a conversation
शातिर भाई, लड़का क्या खेला बहुत बढ़िया.
with Pakistanis, they respond with, "Hey, where's the proof about the Pahalgam attack?" My question is that
ओ भाई, एक बात की मुझे इसकी दाद देनी पड़ेगी भाई. इसके अकाउंटेबिलिटी अवॉइड करने की जो स्किल्स हैं, जो ये सुरंग खोद के अभी सिचुएशन में से निकला है कवर अप करके, भाई साहब गजब लड़के गजब. मतलब कह रहा भाई मैंने सीज फायर के बाद डिलीट की क्योंकि मुझे समझ आ गया पाकिस्तान से कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं की जा सकती. क्या डबल ढोल की आदमी है भाई ये. अब इसको समझ आ रहा है कि क्यों दोनों तरफ से बजना ठीक नहीं होता. भाई साहब डबल एजेंट डिप्लोमैट मूव था, बहुत ही क्रेजी वाला.
have you studied what the world is saying about your country? Have you seen the economy of your own country? It's very important to understand that the Indian Armed Forces simply retaliated to the action of the Pakistanis. I have no narrative other than the
Hina Khan, what's her name? Khar. Why is she laughing? What's there to laugh about? Why? क्या बोला इसने?
to the action of the Pakistanis. I have no narrative other than the one that the world should know. We are combating terrorism because if India exports vaccines and engineers, Pakistan exports terrorism. We're doing a favor to all our civilians. We're protecting our civilians, but truth be told, we're protecting humanity because Pakistan has become the terror hub of the world. This is not an Indian narrative. This is the narrative that the world should know.
Okay, well let me get Shahzad to respond here. Shahzad, your response to that?
Thank you, Pierce, for inviting me. First of all, for an international audience, I think it's quite clear to see compared to Hina Rabbani's poise and grace, Barkha Dutt's theatrics. I think nothing has gone down faster than a Rafale and Barkha Dutt's credibility throughout this entire process. She first reported about Karachi port.
Except the F-16 that India shot down.
एक चीज तो मुझे कहनी पड़ेगी. 2-3 चैनल्स जैसे जी न्यूज, आज तक वगैरह ने बीच में जो भसड़े की हैं कि भाई ब्लैकआउट हो रहा है, 24 घंटे सायरन मिसाइलें चल रही है, हमने लाहौर पे कब्जा कर लिया. अबे क्या न्यूज देते हो तुम भाई? इन पे तो भाई एक्शन लेना चाहिए. मैं सच बताऊं, इनकी वजह से जो देश की बेइज्जती हुई है ना, सारे बढ़िया न्यूज दे रहे थे, सारे सही न्यूज चला रहे थे, ये अकेले मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड करने में सबसे आगे. कहीं आग लग गई अपने ही देश में, कहीं फैक्ट्री में, उसको इन्होंने ऐसे दिखा दिया कि पता नहीं क्या अटैक कर दिया हमने या अटैक हो गया हम पे, और वो क्लिपिंग्स उठा के पाकिस्तानी न्यूज चैनल्स ने भी अपनी जगह सर्कुलेट कर दे कि भाई हमने इंडिया पे अटैक कर दिया. अबे सर्च तो कर लो भाई.
Naval bases that were demolished. No answer.
Barkha, you're welcome to make a million expressions while I talk, but you will let me finish. It is rather sad to see a once credible journalist getting reduced to Arnab Goswami.
So basically ये जो बंदा कर रहा है ना, what's his name? मुझे शहजाद. ओके, तो शहजाद जी जो अभी कर रहे हैं उसको कहते हैं दूसरे को पर्सनल अटैक करना, इन अ वे कि वो लॉजिकल लगे आर्ग्यूमेंट में, बट आपने अपना आर्ग्यूमेंट ही स्टार्ट किया है एक अटैक से. सामने वाला जब इमोशनल हो जाता है, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग पीपल डू इन डिबेट्स, आई हैव डन इट माई सेल्फ इन माई कॉलेज डेज, कि अगर आपके पास पॉइंट नहीं है, अगर आपके पास एक्चुअल फैक्ट्स नहीं है अपनी बात को सही प्रूव करने के लिए, सामने वाले की इमेज आप खराब कर सकते हो. बहुत ही सटल सा पर्सनल अटैक करो और वो बंदा इमोशनल हो जाएगा और अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट को ठीक से आर्टिकुलेट नहीं कर पाएगा. दैट्स द स्ट्रैटेजी ही इज यूजिंग राइट नाउ. इट्स अ स्मार्ट मूव, बट वो बहुत जल्दी जब खिंचता है ना आर्ग्यूमेंट, तो वो खत्म भी बहुत जल्दी होता है फिर.
Don't need certificates from members of a terrorist state.
All right,
Go ahead.
let's quote you then. Barkha Dutt 15 years ago said, Ranveer, you can bring your pictures any day that you want. I'll come to your facts and figures. But let me just quote Barkha Dutt on this. 15 years ago, the same Barkha Dutt said that the prejudiced administrative and political system is not letting her name that the Prime Minister of India right now, Narendra Modi, is attacking Muslims. If we're going to talk about international organizations labeling somebody a terrorist, Narendra Modi was labeled a threat to religious freedoms around the world and was visa was revoked.
By whom?
The difference
By whom?
by the United States of America. Barkha Dutt, you know this. You're only playing to an audience. You said a Pakistani pilot was arrested and captured, which turned out to be a lie. But once the YouTube dollars come in, maybe fact goes out of the window. So let's talk about facts. Narendra Modi was involved in
Yeah,
this.
let's
The
talk
difference
about
between
facts.
Pakistan and
Let's
India
talk
is
about
we
facts.
capture our terrorists,
Let's
we do
talk
not
about
elect them.
Asim Munir.
Ranveer
Right, don't
Alabadia
talk over each other.
wanted to-
Don't talk
No,
over each other. No one can hear you when you do that.
Barka Dutt has
Bro, Barkha Dutt is a genuinely annoying person. ठीक है, a genuinely annoying person in my opinion. I just let the other person talk, bro. He might have a point to make, might not. पर उसके लिए सुनना तो पड़ेगा ना, bro.
spoken for half an hour. I have a right to respond. Ranveer Alabadia decided to interject. He's had BJP people on his podcast. I'm not talking about the state in general. I'm talking about Ranveer Alabadia specifically. I've now figured out why he's called Beer Biceps, because what he said sounds like the most drunk shit I've heard in my life. This is what happens when you repeat government talking points without
नॉट बैड शहजाद जी, नॉट बैड. आपकी कंट्री जो है वो मीम्स में और इंसल्ट्स में तो बहुत ही बढ़िया, मतलब सरकाज़म आपका पीक लेवल पे चलता है. तो बेसिकली फिर से वही काम करते हुए शहजाद जी यहाँ पे अपना पॉइंट रखने से पहले वो रणवीर अलाहाबादिया को भी इस तरीके से इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो अपना पॉइंट आर्टिकुलेट ना कर पाए, वो भड़क जाए इनकी ये बात सुन के, क्योंकि उन्होंने अब उनके चैनल का ही मजाक बना दिया भाई साहब के. पर शहजाद जी को ये नहीं पता कि रणवीर अलाहाबादिया अपने देश में अपनी जितनी बेइज्जती करवाता है वो और कहीं नहीं करवा सकता.
reading. The Bin Laden papers were not released by the DGISPR, by Pakistan. They were released by the American intelligence. 470,000 papers, which a book was written by Nellie Lahoud, which clearly states that Osama bin Laden was trying to hide from the Pakistani intelligence. What you're pointing out with Osama bin Laden,
hang on.
एक सेकंड, what did he even say?
Laden was trying to hide from the Pakistani intelligence.
Laden was trying to hide from Pakistani intelligence. By the last I checked, वो पाकिस्तानी इंटेलिजेंस क्या, वो आर्मी कैंप के नाक के नीचे बैठा हुआ था. The last I hold on, I'm not very well versed with the whole politics वाली चीज, तो let me just hold on. ग्रॉक पे चलते हैं, ये सच बताता है. Is there evidence proving that bin Laden was hiding from Pakistani intelligence? There is no definitive evidence proving that Osama bin Laden was actively hiding from Pakistani intelligence ISI during his time in Abbottabad. But there are significant indications and analysis suggesting he took steps to evade detection. The question of whether bin Laden was hiding from the ISI or being sheltered by the elements within it remains contentious, with arguments on both sides based on circumstantial evidence. Official reports and declassified documents below outline the key points addressing this question. Okay, so basically no definitive evidence. No definitive evidence is our summary here.
Which a book was written by Nellie Lahoud, which clearly states that Osama bin Laden was trying to hide from the Pakistani intelligence. What you're pointing out with Osama bin Laden
Hang on. Shahzad, hang on. Fine.
is an
Wait.
intelligence failure.
Whoa,
It's not deliberate action.
Shahzad, sorry, hang on.
This is turning into a comedy show.
I moderate this. Shahzad, sorry, with the best will in the world, what you've just said is utterly ludicrous. Osama bin Laden was found literally living in a house for years, a few hundred yards from one of Pakistan's main military bases. So if your intelligence didn't know he was there, it must be de facto the worst intelligence in the history of military intelligence. All they had to do was get a pair of binoculars and they would have found the most wanted terrorist in the world who committed one of the worst terror attacks in history. So forgive me, but that is a ludicrous statement to try and pretend.
So maybe
क्या बेइज्जती की है भाई, कह रहा है दूरबीन लेके भी देख लेते ना अपनी गली तक तो भी साला दिख जाता. The name Pakistani intelligence is quite ironic if you think about it, क्योंकि तुम एटलीस्ट ये एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि भाई इंटेलिजेंस तो यहाँ एग्जिस्ट करता होगा और वही नहीं है भाई.
Somehow
maybe
this was American intelligence who was sort of
maybe we should not trust assumptions here. October 7th happened. That doesn't prove Mossad is the worst intelligence in the world. 9/11 happened. That doesn't prove CIA is the worst intelligence.
Well, it
in the
proves
world.
they massively dropped the ball, and this proves
If
that
you do
And I'm afraid the fact that
They did.
well, you don't
I'm
dispute.
not
You don't
afraid to
dispute.
admit that
Listen,
we dropped the ball
Shazad, you
on
don't
Osama bin
dispute
Laden
Osama
here.
bin Laden was living literally down the road from one of your biggest bases,
I
right?
absolutely accept
One of the biggest bases. Okay.
intelligence failure. But the American intelligence itself, in terms of the 470,000 declassified
And do you not think it
documents
stretches
that America has
credibility,
released,
Shazad? Does it not
shows
stretch
that Pakistani
credibility?
intelligence was not involved in
But
harboring
Shazad, does
Osama
it not
bin Laden?
stretch credibility that nobody knew in your biggest intelligence operation at that base? Nobody knew he was living next door.
I think the context of that is that Pakistan was fighting a war on terror on multiple fronts while it was happening. I admit that.
Well, that
the
wasn't my
intelligence
question.
dropped the ball on
भाई हर बार ये मेन मुद्दे को डाइवर्ट करके कहीं और ले जाते हैं और उसके बाद ना एक विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि भाई हम तो खुद ही टेररिज्म से लड़ रहे हैं, हम तो खुद ही विक्टिम है भाई टेररिज्म के। अच्छा भाई साहब, बिल्कुल आपने कह दिया और दुनिया ने मान लिया।
that one. That does not mean Pakistan supporting terrorism. What about Barka Dutt, who was
तो वो कहीं और जाके क्यों नहीं छुपते? कोई और कंट्री उनको पनाह क्यों नहीं देती? इसका मतलब तुम्हारी सरकार और इंटेलिजेंस एकदम रद्दी के भाव है भाई, कि तुम्हें कुछ पता ही नहीं देश में क्या चल रहा है। मल्टीपल टेररिस्ट कैंप्स हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस चल रही हैं, बड़े बड़े टेररिस्ट जिन्होंने 9/11 जैसे अटैक कर दी जिसकी वजह से 3,000 से ऊपर सिविलियन डेथ्स हो गई थी। तुम कह रहे हो इस बंदे के बारे में तुम्हें कोई इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है। That's crazy, bhai.
to calling Narendra Modi.
No, but the
who
reason
ran
it's
away
relevant,
from
Shazad,
BJP
the reason...
mob.
Hang on.
Barka Dutt ran
Shazad, let me
away
ask you a
trying
question.
to save herself from a
Shazad,
BJP
the
mob.
reason...
If you would allow.
hang on one second, Ramit. The reason it's relevant, the question, is because India's big complaint about what has happened in Pakistan in the last 20 odd, maybe more years, is that Pakistan has been knowingly harboring terrorists who commit terrorist actions. That is the big complaint which India has
Exactly.
against Pakistan. And when you try and pretend, and it's not a word for it because you can't actually believe this, that somehow nobody knew at this massive military base, and none of the intelligence people that worked there had any idea that the most wanted man on planet Earth, possibly ever, was literally living in a big house at the end of their road, it stretches credibility. And I just refuse to believe it. So we've got to start with a basic acceptance of reality, right? There were certainly some
Doesn't matter
people
what you-
who
इमेजिन कि जिनका देश भी नहीं है, ठीक है, अभी रिसर्च पेपर्स की बात हुई थी कि भाई यूएसए ने रिलीज किए, ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि उसका एनकाउंटर यूएसए ने किया था, घुस के मारा था, तो यूएसए ही पेपर्स रिलीज करेगा। बट वो पेपर्स दिए किसने? आईएसआई ने। और आप आईएसआई का इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रस्ट ही कैसे कर सकते हो जब आप खुद कह रहे हो कि भाई कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ थी हमारे एंड पे और हम वो चीज एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं? क्या बोल रहा है भाई ये बंदा? ही इज अ प्रोफेशनल यापर, दैट्स इट।
knew, and they did not blow the whistle because they were happy for this wanted man to remain unfound. So I think that's why India has such a tension about this, because they think, well, look what happened with bin Laden. It's happening again with this group now. They're allowed to commit these terror acts with impunity. And there are people in Pakistan who clearly are not bothered about that, or they would do something to stop it.
Pierre,
So-
may
so-
I,
so-
We
well, hang
live
on.
in a world of
I want to give
in a
Shazad
world
the
where
chance to.
documents
I want to
do
give Shazad
something.
the chance to respond to that. Shazad.
Peers, either we can say what we believe in, what sounds credible to us, or we can actually go through the documents. Anybody watching is welcome to read the book, which cites declassified American documents which clearly show that Osama was hiding from the Pakistani intelligence. I'm willing to concede the fact that the Pakistani intelligence dropped the ball. It may also be that some rogue intelligence officers may have been involved, but without any concrete evidence that the state of Pakistan is implicated in harboring Osama, how can we come to that conclusion based on assumptions?
तो मेरे भाई that's what he's saying ना। फिर तो if you don't have any concrete evidence and you are, which I think is possibly the one जिसने वो रिसर्च पेपर्स यूएसए को दिए हैं, क्योंकि रिलीज यूएसए ही कर सकता था, उनको उन्हीं का मिशन था उसको टेक डाउन करने का। फिर जब आप ये भी एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो कि किसी रोग एजेंट का उसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो सकता है, तो कुछ भी कॉन्क्रीट नहीं है फिर तो। इसका मतलब आपका इंटेलिजेंस द वर्स्ट इंटेलिजेंस मानो ना आप बहाने क्या बना रहे हो उसके लिए? ही इज मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस फॉर द होल ओसामा बिन लादेन थिंग भाई। एंड लेट मी सर्च दिस रियल क्विक। डिड यूएसए confirm these evidences. The United States has not universally confirmed all the specific evidence related to whether Osama bin Laden was hiding from Pakistani intelligence, as the issue involves a mix of classified intelligence, public statements, and circumstantial findings. However, US officials have provided assessments based on available evidence, particularly from the 2011 Abbottabad raid, and have addressed the question on ISI complicity or bin Laden's efforts to invade detection. चाहे आप उसको रोग एजेंट के ऊपर डाल के बोलो, चाहे आप कैसे भी बोलो, बट कुछ तो गड़बड़ थी कि वो करीब 9-10 साल एक ही जगह बैठा रहा और किसी को कानो कान खबर नहीं लगी वो वहां पे। क्यों मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उसको डिफेंड किया जा रहा था या उसको पनाह दी जा रही थी। दैट्स व्हाट द डिबेट इज अबाउट। आप जिस एविडेंस के लिए कंप्लाई करोगे, यूएस उसी को तो रिलीज कर पाएगा, उसी को तो आगे शो कर पाएगा। वो थोड़ी आपके देश में रह रहे थे इतने सालों साल, उन्होंने तो ट्रैक किया उसको पता नहीं कहां से।
I want to ask Hina the same question. I mean, Hina, do you not understand how ridiculous it sounds when we're expected to believe that absolutely nobody in American military, in Pakistan military or intelligence had any idea that bin Laden was living next to that base for years?
Look, at that time, Pakistan was in active combat. I was in the government at that time.
Did she just say the same exact thing जो भी शहजाद ने कही थी? हम एक्टिव कॉम्बैट में थे, we ourselves are victims to terrorism and we were fighting terrorism ourselves on multiple fronts. ये एक स्क्रिप्ट में से पढ़ रहे हैं क्या भाई? What is going on?
We were fighting this war.
Oh
at
my
many,
God,
many fronts.
bhai.
And it wasn't only Pakistani intelligence, but frankly speaking,
This has to be a freaking joke, bhai. Who takes Pakistan seriously anymore? Let's be honest.
global intelligence which was in and around, because at that time Afghanistan was very, very active. Pierre, I had really expected and hoped that we could have a discussion which was about the future of this region. Okay, I had really hoped that we could have a discussion about what holds for these 1/5 of humanity, which is currently hostage to an extremist, sort of mind-boggling, outside of the purview of. The theatrics are very unnerving to me. So if you can just pause your faces for a little bit, it would help.
Well, Hina, tell me how you see the future. Hina, how do you see the future?
The theatrics are very unnerving to Hina. अभी उसको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इस चीज से, बट तब से जब वो हंस रही थी, जब दूसरे लोग पॉइंट्स बना रहे थे, जब वो अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर रहे थे अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट को, तब उसको ये नहीं लगा कि ये डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल है। The double standards are crazy.
Can we get it back to where we are with India and Pakistan?
Yes,
only terrorism when a Muslim
all right, but Barker, how does this get resolved?
Yes.
How do we resolve this ongoing issue?
They just want to divide people. मुझे ये पाकिस्तान का दिमाग समझ नहीं आता। अबे मुस्लिम तो हर कंट्री में है भाई, और भी तो मुस्लिम कंट्रीज हैं, उनके ऊपर कभी नाम क्यों नहीं आता? तुम्हारा ही नाम क्यों इन्वॉल्व रहता है हमेशा हर पंगे में? लाइक भाई मुस्लिम्स कर रहे हैं तो तुम ये वो एंड इंटरनल पॉलिटिक्स में तुम घुस रहे हो। अभी जस्ट नाउ ही वाज आस्किंग बरगा इफ शी रैन फ्रॉम अ बीजेपी मॉब और पता नहीं क्या। वो बेसिकली तुम समझ रहे हो पुरानी बातें, गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़ना, जिससे उनका जो पॉइंट है, उनका जो स्टैंड है, वो सारा डिस्क्रेडिट हो जाए। बस ये करने की कोशिश है। दे डोंट हैव एनी आर्ग्यूमेंट टू मेक फॉर देमसेल्व्स, टू डिफेंड देमसेल्व्स। वो बस व्हाट अबाउट रीज में घुस रहे हैं। अभी दोनों यही कर रहे हैं।
Kashmir.
Yeah, I'm going to ignore Shehzad's infantile comments and focus on what I want to say. It doesn't matter whether you in Pakistan like or don't. Can I speak, please? It doesn't matter whether you like or don't like Prime Minister Modi. He is an elected Prime Minister of India in his 3rd term.
Yes.
Unlike the Prime Ministers of Pakistan who are appointed by the army, jailed or exiled. Your country is in turmoil because you have jailed Imran Khan. Nawaz Sharif and Shehbaz Sharif, his brother, who's the present Prime Minister, is an appointee of the army. Before that,
we have to listen to Barka's version of Pakistan's internal politics. Is that the purpose of this?
You commented, ma'am, you commented on my country's internal politics. I am responding
I commented on the Gujarat.
I am responding.
And I was,
Oh no, you commented on the whole Gujarat thing, जहाँ allegedly Modi ji was involved, and then you're talking about her running away from BJP mob. They're both reading from the same script. और अब जब बरखा is countering with the same intensity और internal politics discuss करके, तो she has a problem with discussing that. Double standard once again, Hina ji.
Let's talk about
humble
Khwaja
to be
Asif.
corrected
Hang on.
on that.
There's your defense minister. You know what your defense minister said on television? Yes, we did support.
I told you, I'm not a
we did use
journalist. I
terrorism.
don't have
Ma'am,
verification.
ma'am, you're interrupting me. Ma'am, I did not interrupt you. Grant me the same civility.
Please
I did
go
not
ahead.
interrupt.
Please
Yes.
go ahead.
Khwaja Asif, whose picture Ranveer held up, said in an interview to Sky News that indeed Pakistan had used terrorism as to do the dirty job. I guess Hina couldn't tolerate the truth.
Hina rage quit कर गई. Could not handle the facts, भाई. Hina rage quit कर गई. बहुत बढ़िया.
Maybe she just left. Khwaja Asif said on Sky News that Pakistan used to do the dirty job for other countries by using terrorism as an instrument of state policy. Bilawal Bhutto said on the same channel, indeed, Pakistan has a past. Through this entire conversation, neither Pakistani has answered, are the Lashkar and the Jaish terror groups or not? And if they are, why are they allowed to function openly in Muriki and Bahawalpur, where Indian action was taken against terror bases and terror bases alone? And a last point, Prime Minister Modi did try dialogue with Pakistan. He went to visit Nawaz Sharif in his home in Lahore. He invited Nawaz Sharif when he was sworn in as Prime Minister the first time. All of that came to naught because Pakistan's entire existence seems to be to conduct a proxy war against India. India would love to ignore Pakistan. India wants nothing Pakistan has. If Pakistan would stop inflicting terrorism on our country, we would be quite happy to never engage with them ever again.
That's really true, bhai. Like, what does Pakistan have जो हमें possibly चाहिए होगा? Absolutely nothing. Resources में, business में, education में, हर तरीके से हमारा देश thrive कर रहा है. While Pakistan's economy keeps getting worse and worse. It's something to think about. आप कितना भी delusion में जीना चाहो, but आप facts को deny नहीं कर सकते. Over time वो चीजें आपके सामने आ ही जाएंगी. Osama was just doing Airbnb for 10 years in Pakistan. Barkha, do you recognize certain outfits as terror organization? Hina, let me teach you how to cook pasta in 2 minutes. तो भाई the lesson to take away from all this is कि please रणवीर की तरह डबल ढोल की ना बनिए, क्योंकि दुश्मन जो है वो आपसे दोस्ती का हाथ नहीं बढ़ाएगा इन मिड्स ऑफ अ वॉर. तो आपको भी उसी इंटेंसिटी से जवाब देना जरूरी हो जाता है. वॉर्स आर नॉट नाइस, दे नॉट प्रिटी. तो अपनी फेरी टेल वर्ल्ड से जरा बाहर आ जाए. दिस इज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. पीस.